Hi guys, if you are really dumped by the slow internet speed on your Android mobile phone and you really want a faster internet, then you are on the right video. So in order to get a fast internet, you must have know-how about DNS, the domain name system. Let me first explain you what it is. The DNS is the phone book of the internet. Human access information online through domain names like facebook.com, google.com, etc. Web browsers interact through internet protocol or IP address. DNS translate domain names to IP addresses so browsers can load internet resources. Each device connected to the internet has a unique IP address which other machines use to find the device. DNS servers eliminate the need for humans to memorize IP addresses such as 192.168.1.1 in IPv4 or more complex never alphanumerical IP addresses such as 240CB00204881 in IPv6. The process of DNS resolution involves converting a host name such as www.facebook.com into a computer-friendly IP address such as 192.168.1.1. So in simple words, if you are going through a fastest DNS, then your internet speed will be high as compared to the DNS provided by your internet service provider company. So let me show you the 3 best DNS service providers. The first one is Google Public DNS, and the second one is from Cloudflare DNS, and the third one is from OpenDNS by Cisco. So in order to connect through these faster DNS, let's go to the mobile screen. Simply go to your Play Store and find the application Net Optimizer. Optimize your internet speed. The link for this application will be given in the description. Simply install this application. Simply click on Get Started. Okay, from here just click on Activate. Click on Got it. Now it will scan the best DNS server for you. Simply click on OK. Okay, here you can see this application connected our DNS to 1.1.1, which is Cloudflare DNS as I shown you before. Here you can see 1.1.1. Now if you don't want to install this application, simply open your Wi-Fi settings. From here click on Use Static IP. Now here you can see the DNS is 8.8.8, which is Google DNS. That's good. From here choose the desired DNS which are shown on the screen. So these are the faster DNS. So in my case I have already choose the Google DNS, which I think is the faster DNS. So if you are using a mobile internet like 4G or 3G, then this setting is unavailable. So if you want to connect to a fastest DNS using your 4G mobile data or 3G mobile data, then you have to download the application Net Optimizer, which I have shown you before. So guys, this is the basic method through which you can optimize the internet speed on your Android phone. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too.